Subscribe to OZiva TV and hit the bell icon for more updates on fitness, nutrition and wellness.
Namaste. मैं हूँ Paromita, the happy yogi. I am a yoga teacher. In today's times, we spend a lot of time sitting on chairs and hence we have lost the flexibility in our hips, knees and ankles, and Padmasana has become quite a task. If you cannot bring your legs up on your thighs at all, don't worry, I'm going to show you a couple of drills that you can practice every day, and that is going to help you to take your legs up in a full Padmasana eventually. The first posture or drill that we can practice to improve the flexibility of our hips for Padmasana is called Cradle the baby pose or Hindolasana. इसके लिए left leg को straight रखिए. Take your right leg up and hold it in between your arms this way, and then push the knee back and bring the leg across. Push the knee back and bring the leg across. You can do this 10 to 15 times on each leg. अगर leg को ऐसे पकड़ने में आपको तकलीफ हो रही है because your fingers are not interlacing, you can just hold the leg up with both your arms, sit up tall and do the same movement. Again, don't forget to do it on the other leg as well. The second posture that we can practice in preparation for Padmasana is butterfly or Baddha Konasana. इसके लिए आप अपने पैरों को सामने से मिलाइए, keep them in a namaste and bring your feet close to your hips. Sit up tall, spine को बिल्कुल सीधी रखिए. You can hold your ankles or you can interlace your fingers around your toes. Again, sitting up tall, close your eyes and move your knees up and down. You can also do it with your eyes open, but with your eyes closed, you form a better connection with the joints and the muscles. Keep moving your knees as high as you can take them and as low as you can take them. The third and last drill that we can practice in preparation for Padmasana is ankle rotation. So sit with your legs extended in front of you. You can use your palms to balance yourself out a little bit. Keep your spine straight and keep your legs slightly apart. Looking at your ankles, rotate your feet as much as you can. Clockwise kare and then do it anti-clockwise as well. 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. Practice these postures and drills regularly and trust me, you will get your Padmasana soon. If you have any questions or any queries, do let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also let your friends and family know. You can share through WhatsApp, through Instagram. Don't forget to tag me at the Happy Yogi with double I and OZiva Nutrition. I will be back soon with more such fun and informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to OZiva TV. Till then, goodbye. Namaste.